Welcome to the Mythbusters, the show where we challenge common misconceptions and debunk those myths you've always wondered about. I'm your host, and today we're driving into a classic chemical myth that has been around for centuries. Water and oil do not mix. We've all heard it, from science textbooks to casual conversations. The belief that water and oil never mix is widespread and almost universally accepted, but is that really true? Let's find out. Here's the first thing we need to understand. Water and oil have different chemical properties. Water is polar, meaning it has positive and negative charge that makes it stick to itself. Oil, on the other hand, is nonpolar, which means it does not have the charge and doesn't bond well with water molecules. Because of the difference, when you try to mix the two, the water molecules stick together and push the oil molecules away, causing them to separate. This is why oil floats on the top of water in most situations. But wait, it's not the end of the story. We've all seen those fancy salad dressings where oil and vinegar are mixed together and they look like they're perfectly blended. So how does that happen? The key here is the emulsifier. You've probably heard of egg yolk in mayonnaise or mustard in salad dressing. These are substances that help oil and water mix for a short time. They work by binding to both water and oil molecules, allowing them to interact more closely and temporarily breaking the rule. Pretty cool, right? So while it's true the water and oil don't naturally mix, the myth doesn't hold up when you introduce the right chemicals into the mix. Thanks to emulsifiers, we can make oil and water work together, creating things like salad dressings, cosmetics, and other certain medicines. But remember, the key takeaway here is water and oil don't mix unless you have a secret trick. So, there you have it, folks. The myth of water and oil being completely incompatible is busted. Next time you hear this statement, you'll know it's more about chemistry than an absolute truth. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be sure to join us next time for more myth-busting fun. Until then, stay curious, stay scientific, and don't forget, knowledge is the best ingredient for any experiment.